Hi everyone, as you can see, I am finally wearing a costume again. After my last video, I really wanted to dress up in a costume again. And also right now in Germany there's Carnival, where people dress up. It's basically like a Halloween, but without the spooky stuff. So I really got in the mood of putting on a costume again. And as you can see, I dressed up as a pirate. And I really like the color combination of this dress, the red, the black, the golden. I think it's a really cool costume and I really loved wearing it. And then on top of it, I paired it with some really nice black 8-denier tights and then also black high heels. And yeah, I really enjoyed this costume. And what's also really cool about this outfit is the belt. And then there's a small secret there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a little perch where I obviously store a lot of gold coins, which I conquered on my journeys on my pirate ship, obviously. And yeah, it's a really cool outfit. I really like it, and I really enjoyed wearing a costume again, which I haven't done for a really long time. And in fact, I enjoyed it so much that next week I'm going to wear another costume. So if you enjoy costumes, then next week you will get another costume video. So I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of the video, and I just want to thank you all again so much for your ongoing support, all the people that comment, like, subscribe, everything, my members, and all the people that just continue watching my videos. It means so much to me that you like my content, that you keep coming back, that you keep commenting, and I just really want to thank you so much for that. And I really hope that you have a great day or evening or night or whatever. And I wish you all the best. And I talk to you next week when I show you my other costume. Bye bye.